I don't believe you. And let me just tell you why I don't believe you. If a program has been ordered and you're sick and they tell you, oh, we need to see you today, what you tell them is like, I'm sorry, I think I have COVID. I can't see you today. I'm very interested in your program and I know the judge has ordered and I want to be in it. But instead, you didn't do that. So don't come to me telling me stories that make absolutely no sense. Nobody does that in the real world. So when I order something, you need to follow through. If you don't want to follow through, let us know. We'll move on to the next person. I do remember the names and faces of everybody that I sent to prison. But if you wish to go to prison and be done with this, I will send you. And guess what? I'll move on to the next person and see if they would like to be in programs that are presented for them.
We're in Judge Boyd's courtroom with a woman who seems ready to argue about nothing. The judge gives her clear instructions, but she acts like they don't matter. It's not even a real protest, just her trying to start trouble. Judges can lock you up for contempt right there. So one wrong move and she could be in handcuffs before lunch. Watching her is like watching someone speedrun their own downfall. You can't tell if she hates the judge or just wants to ruin her own case.
All right, court is calling 2024 CR 1983, State of Texas versus Ashley Draper Ward. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Oh, sorry.
For the defense?
Christopher Simpkins.
And are you Miss Ashley Draper Ward?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So you entered a plea of guilty. The judge found there was sufficient evidence to find you guilty. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending community supervision. Have both parties had a chance to review the PSI report, state?
No, Your Honor, but we're okay with proceeding anyway because we are recommending release.
All right, defense. All right, any objections to the PSI report?
None, Your Honor.
No, Your Honor.
All right, anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Judge, I believe she's motivated. She'll be successful, and she understands that she faces severe repercussions if she does not live up to her obligations. But that's what she followed the plea bargain agreement.
All right, Ms. Ward, do you have any family support?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, who's your support system?
My grandmother's.
All right. And do you have any children?
3.
Okay, what are their ages?
5, 6, and 8.
And who are they with?
My mother-in-law.
And have you had any CPS cases in regards to them?
No.
When's the last time you had contact with them?
Before I was incarcerated.
So how did it come to be that your mother-in-law had custody of them?
My first incarceration, she took custody while I was incarcerated.
Okay.
Ma'am, can you step up to the mic a little bit more?
All right. This is what the court is going to do. Court is going to sentence you to a $500 fine. That's going to be probated.
Okay.
4 years deferred adjudication and states you may continue to confer. There's going to be 100 hours of community service restitution. I'm going to order you to complete parenting classes.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors.
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. I'm sorry, Miss Eckel, if you could move so probation can, yeah. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's going to be anger management.
Yes, ma'am.
She's going to remain in custody for her Tacoma exam. And they say that's scheduled at August 22nd.
Yes.
And we'll follow those, what their recommendations are. If for some reason she's not accepted, then we're going to do a referral to Center for Healthcare Services. You're going to need to sign a release for any type of medical treatment that you're receiving. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
There's to be regular UAs. proof of employment or SSI within 45 days of release. There should be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Field visits one time per month until she receives her case manager. And that's the case manager for mental health. Sorry, just let me check one thing. And also, let's do a referral to felony drug court.
The judge tells her to check in regularly, take anger management, and stay out of trouble. Simple stuff. But it's obvious she's not planning to follow any of it. It's like signing up for a gym you'll never visit. Every missed class or skipped meeting goes on record, and breaking probation usually brings a worse punishment than the first sentence. Anger management isn't just therapy. It's proof you can act like an adult. Judges hate when people waste the court's time pretending to comply. But this woman is too smug to see she's just handing the court evidence against herself. It's not if she fails, but when the judge even offers mental health court to give her extra help, but warns her not to use mental health as an excuse. Then things get weird. She's got tattoos of random names, and even earplugs in court. The judge jokes about tattooing your kids' names instead of some fling, but also reminds her earplugs count as contraband in jail. Finally, the judge gives her a straight choice: felony drug court, with programs to help her. 2 years in state jail. No third option. Instead of taking the help, she makes excuses. I was sick, I refused, but the judge doesn't buy it. This isn't strategy. It's self-sabotage. The court reviews her record: probation violations, skipping programs, leaving classes because she was overwhelmed, and even working in jobs she wasn't allowed to have. After all the chances, the judge finally ends it. 2 years in state jail, with credit for time served and a spot in a therapy program if she wants to use it. Judge Boyd says it plain: drug court was her way to avoid prison, but she threw it away. In the end, the system can't force someone to accept help. Some people just choose the hardest road for no reason at all.